It might seem simple, but habits like regular bathing, brushing the teeth, and wearing fresh clothes can greatly speak much about a person. The reverse of this is also indicative of a person's hygienic lifestyle. Some Trotro mates perhaps have a different script, as they do not create pleasant atmosphere for passengers, from mouth and armpit odor to unwashed sweaty clothes. Here's how passengers describe these encounters.
1 month ago, me encounter.
About a month ago, I boarded a Trotro at Spintex heading to Medina. I was seated right behind the mate and noticed that he had a strong body odor, especially in his armpits. It was very unpleasant, and although it's public transport, it's still important for them to practice personal hygiene. So, I politely informed him that he had body odor and advised him to maintain good personal hygiene, explaining to him the negative impact it could have on passengers.
The Trotro mates are defensive. They say their demanding schedules leaves them little room for personal care.
Passengers always complain that Trotro may don't like bathing. It's not our fault. It's the nature of the job. Sometimes we travel to other regions, and if we, the mates and drivers, don't get load back to us, we are compelled to sleep in the car without bathing, because in some places we don't have access to water. That's when the complaints come in. The nature of the job also takes almost all our time, which results in such complaints. Tiredness after work is also a factor contributing to this problem.
But we know that hygiene should never take a back seat. Drivers are encouraging their mates to keep clean, as it ensures a pleasant ride for passengers.
I am Ejaya, a driver, and I am urging all mates to take their personal hygiene seriously, especially because passengers often complain about unpleasant odor. I always encourage my own mate to stay neat since we work closely with the public. I am also advising fellow drivers to regularly remind their mates to keep clean, so we maintain a good image and ensure passengers feel comfortable.
Medical experts are cautioning the Trotro mates against such act, as that can affect their social interactions and their physical well-being. Here's Dr. Yao Osafo of Medicas Hospital.
The physician's perspective, then it poses certain, if you like, hazards, and that is mental health, and then there's also social health, the ability to maintain relationship. So somebody may not even board your Trotro or your taxi if you don't, you have very low hygiene, all right? So your ability to maintain social health, is then impaired. Once you have body odor issues, then it will affect your social health.
Letitia Texan and Vera Gadu's report read to you.